Starting around 15 August 2023, Cardano truly is exchanging at 29 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.32% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. ADA in a real sense has an all things considered, all-out market cap of $10,095,199,288, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $122,670,613, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. This really makes Cardano, ADA, truly positioning at 8 in the digital currency market. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023. What will Cardano really be extremely worth in 2023? Is Cardano a sort of wise speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will ADA cost in a real sense outperform its untouched high? Or so they sort of thought. These in a real sense are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in a kind of enormous manner. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost is supposed to in a real sense cross a sort of normal value level of 34 cents. The normal genuinely least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be 33 cents, or so they really thought. Besides, ADA can sort of arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of 37 cents. Cardano value conjecture August 2023. The normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could basically go to 31 cents toward the finish of August 2023. Genuinely, in spite of mainstream thinking, ADA could be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of 31 cents, with the kind of least expected cost of 28 cents, so ADA generally has an in every practical sense, complete market cap of $10,095,199,288, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $122,670,613 in an essentially large manner. Cardano value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the by and large most extreme cost for Cardano could especially stretch around 33 cents in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 explicitly is 30 cents with a sort of typical cost of 31 cents, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Cardano certainly is supposed to generally be at around a kind of least of 31 cents, showing how moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 generally is 30 cents with an exceptionally normal cost of 31 cents. Cardano cost can explicitly arrive at a limit of 34 cents with the truly normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. Cardano value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Cardano for the most part is supposed to be at around a genuinely least of 32 cents. So moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 is 30 cents with a typical cost of 31 cents in a huge manner. Cardano cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of 36 cents with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Cardano could in every way that really matters stretch around 37 cents, which truly is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 essentially is 33 cents with a kind of typical cost of 34 cents. Exceptionally further appearance how this for the most part makes Cardano, ADA, genuinely positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. Cardano especially past value examination and the especially beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been basically diminished by 1.18% in its in every practical sense current worth in a kind of significant way. Assuming we explicitly analyze the kind of current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, exhibiting that Cardano especially past value examination and the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense, has been generally diminished by 1.18%. in its sort of current worth, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Cardano truly is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins in an unpretentious manner. The ADA by and large is down to nearly 2.59% in the essentially most recent 7 days. So assuming we sort of think about the extremely current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap in every way that really matters is likewise down, exhibiting that Cardano in every way that really matters past value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been truly diminished by 1.18% in its genuinely current worth, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The coin especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for pretty beyond couple of days. The coin could for the most part have areas of strength for commonly in any case. We don't believe that it could a beneficial resource in present moment, which certainly shows that fundamentally is Cardano a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA certainly diminished by 35.701%, taking out an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of 16 cents from its certainly current worth, or so they in a real sense thought. This unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a sort of good, for the most part purchase a potential open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change fundamentally is near 24.14%, and the cost for the most part flowed from a truly least certainly normal cost of 37 cents to pretty greatest exceptionally normal cost of 39 cents. In the truly beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. In especially most recent 4 months Cardano in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern, which basically is genuinely critical. Hence, we believe that comparable pieces of the market in a real sense were very famous at that period in an all things considered significant way. As per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano really is expanded from 4 months. Showing how the 90 days cost change explicitly is near 24.14%, and the cost generally flowed from a base pretty typical cost of 37 cents to sort of greatest truly normal cost of 39 cents. In the especially beyond 90 days, the exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, showing the way in which the ADA especially is down to nearly 2.59% in the by and large most recent 7 days. So on the off chance that we truly look at the sort of current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, exhibiting that Cardano past value examination and the for the most part beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been certainly diminished by 1.18% in its especially current worth in a truly significant manner. The coin in every practical sense is up by 6.57%. With the genuinely greatest kind of typical cost of the coin certainly was around 27 cents, and the kind of least sort of normal cost of generally was around 26 cents in every way that really matters, recent months, which explicitly is very huge. Cardano value figure 2023 facts. What will essentially be Cardano worth in 2023 in a significant manner? The ADA cost